How to hide photos on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to hide photos on Facebook. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up facebook.com on your mobile phone or your laptop or PC, and this is where you will get. On Facebook, we post photos and videos all the time. But if you want to hide the post, the photo that you posted long time ago, or for any privacy reasons, you can do that very easily. You just have to go to your profile or open up that post from your feed. I will actually get to a photo from my profile. So here I have some of the photos. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this one up. All right, so we have this photo right here, and I want to make it private. I want to hide it. For that, click on these three dots, and then we have the option of edit post audience. Click on this one, and we have different options here. We have public, friends, friends accept, specific friends, and then we have only me. And if I switch the audience to only me, that means this photo will be hidden and only I can see it. So this is the easiest way to hide a photo from your Facebook account. So I'm going to switch to only me. This is an alternative if you do not want to completely delete that photo. So it will stay on your account, only you will be able to see it. Click on save and the settings will be changed and it will be locked. Now this photo is hidden, and this is how you can hide photos on Facebook. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.